Okay.
Hi team, good morning everyone.
Mm.
See team, in yesterday's session, we discussed some examples of stored procedures, guys. In the stored procedures, we discussed stored procedures using insert command, update command, and delete command. These are all our yesterday session we completed. And also procedures using cursors. That one also we completed in yesterday's session. We completed, guys. Right. Right, guys. Yes, guys. See, now we are discussing procedures with parameter modes, procedure with parameter modes. Means we know while calling the procedures, we can pass parameters. According to the parameters, no, the program procedures are executed. But parameter modes represents type of the parameter. It represents type of the parameter. That means that parameter is taking input into the programmer, or else that parameter return the value na, or what it is doing, that is specified by parameter modes. Okay, so parameter modes parameter modes are specifies type of the parameter. So PLS scale means PLS scale supports two types of parameter modes. One is two types of parameter modes. One is in, second one is out, third one is in out. These are the three types of parameter modes, guys. One is in, out, in out. These are the three types of parameter modes. These are the important parameter modes, guys. Because we are learning stored process means for these parameters only. Okay, these parameters are very important in front end applications actually. Okay. Right. The first one is in parameter mode, the first one. What is the first one? In parameter mode. In parameter mode. This parameter mode specifies taking input into procedure. Taking input into procedure. In parameter main functionality, taking input into procedure. Now on in parameter mode variables, on in parameter mode variables, assignment targets are not supported, guys. Assignment targets are not supported. What is the meaning of assignment targets? That is called equal to operator not supported. On in parameter mode variables, so assignment targets are not supported. That is right. Now by default, all parameter by default parameter modes are in. Parameter modes are in by default. By default, parameter modes are in by default. Right there. By default, parameter modes are in by default. See an example. See, example is common example, guys. Yesterday, what we discussed the day before yesterday, data replace procedure, add underscore procedure of X number, Y number is begin dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. Sum of two numbers is equal to X plus Y. Send your add proc slash this is end user add proc slash. Now see guys, procedure is created. But see guys, where we are using this in parameter, are you place anywhere? No, not here. Not here you can place in parameter mode. Means if you give in or not, no problem at all. Because by default, all parameter modes are in by default. Again, I create the procedure again. Yes, again it is created, guys. Yes, it is created. Okay, now I am trying to execute the program exec add underscore proc of 100 comma 500. Now x value 100 is passed into x, na? 500 is passed into y. So these x and y both are taking input into your program, right or wrong? Both are taking input into your program. Then here you can do the x plus y. Yes, the sum of two numbers equal to this. Okay. This is the example, guys. This is the example, guys. Okay, but I discussed already on in parameter mode variables, assignment targets are not supported. On in parameter mode variables, assignment targets are not supported. How it is? How it is not supported? See, guys. Inside the program, I try to change x equal to 5000. I declare suppose. Okay. I declare x value 5000. But x is in parameter. No? We cannot change x value, guys. Here I am passing suppose 100. 100 is passed into x. Inside the program, we cannot change x value. If you try to change, see what happens. Error. Show errors. X cannot be used in assignment target. X cannot be used as an assignment target. That is, here we got error message, guys. Anytime now on in parameter mode variables, assignment targets not supported. That is. Right, guys. Right, guys. Now, next one is, guys, in parameter mode. Out parameter mode, the second one. Out parameter mode. Okay. That is out parameter mode variables. Now, procedures. Procedures are may or may not return values. Procedures are may or may not return values, guys. Because today, up to here in procedures, the last 2 days or 3 days, what we discussed the procedure program, is the program returns any value? Is the program returns any value? Nothing, sir. Nothing returns. Nothing return any value. But not a compulsory. If you want, yes, you can return. Otherwise, not required. But functions should be written a value. Functions should be written a value. That is right, guys. So if procedures are written values, by using out parameter mode variables, out parameter modes. Procedures are written values by using out parameter modes. On out parameter modes, assignment targets are supported. On out parameter modes variables, assignment targets are supported. That is, assignment targets are supported. Right. Now, procedure is not a compulsory return the value, guys. If you want to return the value, then by using this one, by using out parameter mode variables, the procedures are return the values. Okay. See one example first of all. On out parameter mode means assignment target support equal to sub supported. Yes. Create or replace. Write a stored procedure. Write a stored procedure to input to find sum of two given numbers and return the value and return the value, return the output. So create a replace procedure, add underscore proc x in number, y in number, z out number, guys. Observe this. This is the declaration, guys. At the time of declaration, x and y both are input to your program. X and y both are input to your program. What about the next one? Z. Z is the out parameter. Through Z, we can return the value. How it is, we'll discuss one by one. Begin. Z equal to x plus y. And add slash. Completed, guys. Means on Z value, what you are passing, x value, y value, both are sum, and Z contains the sum of two numbers. Okay. Copy here and paste. Okay. Procedure created. Now, how to execute this procedure? How to execute this procedure, guys? Calling procedure on SQL prompt. On SQL prompt. See, add underscore execute add underscore procedure of x value, y value. What about the z value? 100 is passed into x, guys. 500 is passed into y, guys. Then, what third parameter? I'm not passing third parameter. Suppose here you got error. Because your procedure contains three parameters x, x, y, z. But here I am passing only two parameters. That is called wrong number of types of arguments called to add proc. Then now execute add underscore proc of 100 comma 500 comma. What I pass the third parameter? What I pass third parameter? So third parameter, can I pass directly 600? No, that is done by our program. What I pass? Can I pass Z here? Wrong. What is Z? See, suppose I pass REC. Here we got error. Identify result must be declared. Means X and Y both are input to your program and 100 plus 500, 600. Now Z returns because the type is out. Z parameter return the value. Z parameter return the value. What the Z parameter return the value? We want to catch. We want to receive. We want to store. What the Z returns output? We want to store. Where we can store? Where you can store the data? Variables. We can store that in variables only, right or wrong? That's why here I declare one variable result. You say result is a variable, but system doesn't know. You say the system clearly, okay, result is a variable. That variable can hold number or varchar, what it may be. First, you must be declared. First, you must be declared first of all. So, I declare a variable result number. Result is a variable. What is the data type? Number. This is the global variable because we are declared on SQL prompt. To declare variable on SQL prompt, that type of variables what you call global variables. The same concept we discussed in advanced features, returning into class. Returning into class. We discussed one concept in advanced features document. Same. Okay. Here, variable result number I declare. Okay. Result is a variable. That variable right now null, no data. Now it is a number data type. The result variable can hold number value. Okay. Now I'm executing my procedure with a variable is result. Because SQL variables we can represent with colon preceding colon res. Here I don't colon res result. Now, guys, how this program is executing? Here I explain right now, guys. Just a minute, guys. Just a minute. See, guys, here I am passing right now. I am passing. Here I am passing X value. 100 is passed into X variable, guys. 500 is passed into Y variable. Both are the input parameters. Both. Okay, guys. Both are the input parameters. Now, your procedure is calling. Your procedure is calling. Then what happens now? Inside the procedure, what happens? 100 plus 500, 600. 600 returns Z. What the Z value returns output? The Z output is returning into result variable. Okay, na? Right now here, what Z value returns the output? That output is returning into a result variable. So result is a variable. Now the result can hold how much? 600 because Z returns 600 na. 600 is directly returning into. Okay. Now I execute the program. Program is executed. Print result. How much? 600. Okay, guys, understand na? We are passing input values 100 to 500. 100 is passed into X, 500 is passed into Y. Then first your program is executed. 100 plus 500, 600. Program is completed. Now Z is returning 600. What the Z returns value? We try to catch. We try to receive. This is the example, guys. How the procedures return a value. Okay. Now here we are returning the value on SQL prompt. Now using PLSQL block. Using PLSQL block, how to return the value. Okay. how they return the value using PLSQL block. Okay. Now declare. Guys, again, I clear the screen again, copy the program for understanding purpose only, guys. Okay. Where is that? This is the program. Now I declare a variable, guys. Declare result is a variable, data type is number, then begin. Add underscore proca 500 comma 400 I am passing as a third parameter result. Then dbms underscore output dot put underscore line sum of two given numbers equal to result variable end slash. Now guys, again, how this program is executing now? Guys, see. First, again, 500 is passed into x, guys. 400 is passed into y. Okay. 400 is passed into y. After that, what the jet returns output? The jet returning output, how much now? 900, na? 900 is returning into a result variable. Okay. Now, here in this result, we are not using preceding colon because it is a PLSQL variable. It is a PLSQL. PLSQL means to write program using declare begin statement, that is called PLSQL program. Right or wrong? So this is so j returns right to 900, sir. 900 is copied into received by result variable. After that, inside result, how much value we have? 900 is there. That one displays. Observe this. Sum of two given numbers equal to 900. This is a program, guys, using PLSQL block. Using PLSQL block. This is. Right, guys. Any doubts in this program, guys? Or understand how the process return the value? Okay. Tell me, guys. If you give that yes or no, then I can go to next program. Okay. Because this is the important concept, guys. That's why I'm asking so many times. Right. So the next one is one more example, guys. Write a stored procedure. Write a stored procedure to input employee number and return net salary. Or okay, and return net salary. I want to return. Okay. Now create or replace procedure emp net sal underscore procedure. Guys, for this procedure, what are the input parameters and what are the output parameters? Read this question, then you can understand. To input employee number is the input parameter, right or wrong? Is the in emp.empno percentage type. And what should be written now? To return employee net salary. Net salary means p underscore net sal. I declare as variable. Enough. But this is the output parameter. Out parameter is begin. I read direct statement I write down. Okay, now no need to declare any variables. Select salary plus NVL of commission comma 0. If anybody is not getting commission, that commission is taking 0. Salary plus 0, that is copied into p underscore net sal variable from EMP, where employee number equal to p underscore employee number. Return EMP net sal proc slash. Completed. Okay. EMP net sal procedure, we are inputting employee number. What are passing employee number? Corresponding employee salary commission. Then that value is copied into P net sal. That is, guys. See, procedure is created. Procedure is created. Now we try to call this procedure. See, using directly PLSQL block. Okay. Calling procedure. So now calling procedure. Declare I declare v net sal variable as a number data type, then begin. Now calling the procedure EMP net sal procedure of I am passing employee number runtime and net sal is the variable. Then dbms underscore output dot put underscore line given employee net sal rupees v underscore nets. End your program slash. This is good. Now how this program is executed. So we know already we are passing employee number. Suppose I am passing your $1,000. $1,000 right now we are passing as input. So $1,000 employee net sal is calculated. That is copied into P net sal. What is the P net sal? Is the output parameter. So yes, P net sal contains net salary of given employee. Okay, guys, program is executed. Right now, what the procedure returns now? P net sal returns the output. That output is directly returning into v net sal variable. Okay, then it displays mean net sal value. It displays. This is the calling procedure. Okay, guys. Copy and paste. I am passing $1,000. Yes, I am passing 7521. Yes. Displace the data. This is the example, guys. How the process return the value. Okay. Right. Now, so next one is one more example. Write a stored procedure to input employee number and return grade and return grade. To input employee number and return grade. This is to input employee number and return grade. So create or replace procedure emp underscore grade procedure of. We are passing employee number as an in parameter emp.empno percentile type and p we write it. P means parameter, guys. P underscore grade is the out parameter I declare as number. Is begin, guys. Is begin. Now here I'm passing one join query. Yesterday also we discussed in cursors. Select grade from emp comma sal grade, where sal between low sal and high sal and the employee number equal to loss and double 8. From employee table, employee number double 8. For employee table, employee number double 8. Salary is taking, guys. Salary is taking. That salary is 3,000 rupees. Okay. The 3,000 is between low sal and high sal from salary table. We know the salary table. The salary table, what it contains? Low sal, high sal. It contains. Where the 3,000 between this low sal, high sal, corresponding grade is fetching. The grade is copied into. First grade is written right now here. What's the grade? Grade is 5. Suppose here I pass 7839. Grade 5. 7369. Grade 1. Okay. This grade, same here I'm passing. Same query inside the program right now. Here I'm passing. But instead of this employee number, we are passing already number. Na? That value here I'm passing, that variable here. And what the grade returns output? The grade value I want to copy it into P grade, that is copied into P grade. Yeah, completed, program is completed. End your program employee grade, then slash. Okay, now. So, yes. So then, calling the program. Declare V grade I declare as number, then begin. Emp underscore grade of. I am passing employee number and what the returns the value that I want to copy it into. So see, guys, 7839, grade 5, 7369, grade 1. It is. Okay. So I think everybody know this how to find the grade. I directly explain very directly. See guys, this is the employee table. Shall start from salary table. Suppose I am passing doubles and doublet, na? Doubles and doublet salary is taking, sir. How much? 3,900 is taking. The 3,900 is taking here. 3,900 between low cell, high cell of salary table. 3,900 between here true na? False. Here true, false, false, false. Here true. Because 3,900 is between low cell, high cell of this value. Yes. What is the corresponding grade? 5. That 5 is copied into P grade variable, it copies. Okay, guys, that is. Okay, that grade here we are displaying. Here also we are inputting employee number and your query is calculated grade. The grade is returning yes. Okay, now one example, guys. Exactly in real-time applications now, where you can exactly use this procedures. Suppose nowadays, if you try to buy a SIM card, no need to pass any, no need to provide any documents. Right or wrong? Aadhaar Xerox, PAN Xerox, these are not required nowadays. Just you tell your Aadhaar number, enough. Automatically, your SIM card is issued. How it is, sir, means your total data is linked with the Aadhaar number. Your total data is linked with the Aadhaar number, it is linked. Now, suppose I try to go to the shop now, I try to buy a SIM card. I tell mobile number, my Aadhaar number to salesman. Okay, he entered Aadhaar number in his system and he click on the OK button. On his screen, your total data displays with your photo also. Yes. How it is means in that system, what he is passing Aadhaar number only. Once you click on that submit button, then your Aadhaar number request goes to database server. Database server processes a request according to your Aadhaar number, which record is matched. The record is fetching from database, displays on his screen. Means inside the database, inside that server, your total data is saved with your Aadhaar number. Understand? Huh? That is, guys. Now, to develop this application, you can develop the application front end designing tool. You can design, but what salesman is passing Aadhaar number. Click on the submit button. Request goes to where? Database server. Database server process request. Now, how the process request means inside the database server, one procedure is written by developer. One procedure is written by developer. That procedure is calling each and every time. That procedure returns the corresponding customer details. Means that procedure is inputting Aadhaar number, process the request, and send output to output screen. So in backend, one procedure is running each and every time. What is the procedure? How the procedure return your data? Now that one we are discussing right now. Okay. So write a stored procedure to input Aadhaar number and return corresponding customer details. This is a program, guys. But is there any database table is there now in your database? We have employee table, we have. This is the employee data or this is the customer data, suppose. This is the customer data. Or else I create create table, customer table. Customer as select employee number. Or else I create one table, guys. See, guys, create table, customer tables. I'm using existing table data only, customer DB. What are the columns required? Customer ID, number of 4, customer name, varchar of 10. Okay, customer designation, customer name, customer designation. So varchar of 20. Next, customer ID, customer name, designation. Customer salary is not required, na? Okay, customer date of birth, suppose. Date of birth, date. Okay, and Aadhaar number. Aadhaar number, I declare, suppose I declare a number of 12. Guys, one table is created, guys. Customer ID, customer name, customer designation, and his date of birth, and Aadhaar number, suppose. But for these columns data, I am taking employee table data, sir. How it is? Insert into this is a high level insert command. Customer DB of customer ID, customer name, customer designation, customer DB, or customer date of birth. Of what I'm taking. Values. Select employee number, name, job, ID. From observe this, guys. This is a high level insert command. Just we are taking data from employee table. The data we take insert into customer table. This is copying data from one table to another table. This is Aadhaar number is null. Okay, we can fill the right now Aadhaar number. This is now. Next, I try to fill this Aadhaar number. How to fill this Aadhaar number? See, update customer DB. Update customer DB. Set Aadhaar number equal to 10001. Suppose plus row number from customer DB. Everything is in our hand. We can execute that. Here, what happens? I want to generate sequence of Aadhaar numbers. 10,000 I given. First, not 10,000. Suppose I given 9,999. Then it is taking 10,000 onwards. Or else once you give this 9 here, one more 9. So it is taking. So 99,999 plus row number is first row number is 1. 1 is added, 2 is added, 3 is added, 4 is added. The existing is. Code was updated. So let's start from Customer DB. Yes, customer database is available right now. Okay, with Aadhaar number. Create a customer table. Create a customer table. Create a customer table. So first I create the table first. Copying data from medium to table. Okay, that is this is insert command. This is the insert command. After that, generating other numbers. This is okay. Up to here, guys, we have the customer table is ready. Okay, customer table is ready. Now, next we try to write the procedure. For the procedure, we are inputting Aadhaar number. Then we want to return corresponding customer data. Okay. So this program will discuss coming session, guys. Okay. So any doubts, guys? Any doubts in today's session? Okay, guys. We'll continue next session. Okay.